All right, we're making a door to go to the other side so you can go from room to room inside. So we'll peel off this. Looks like wainscoting. I'll set it on this side because I have more room.
Joe pulled back the paneling so we could see about putting in a door and making this like a walkway. So this could be the living room and that could be the kitchen. You're watching American Roots.
We're gonna put a door here. Short door. We'll peel out the insulation.
Now it was stapled in. He removed the staples.
I'm totally cheating. That's all I got for now.
We'll get that one on camera.
If you got pliers, you can pull it.
We have just a couple days to get things done. So we are gonna get everything cleared out and the weather is beautiful and we are gonna get the floor laid. We're gonna cut a hole in the wall and that way we can lay the floor like consistently all the way through the threshold of the door. And let's get started on getting this tiny house cleaned out.
Trying to get this off in one piece.
I can't keep up with him. He is all over the place.
You got me. Taking out this stud. Did you get me? How'd you know I was gonna have a sledgehammer in my hand? You taking out nails? I need a drill. Drill and cut, hole, cut this piece out, finish flooring.
I need to be able to get the jigsaw through the wall and we can't find the drill. So while he's out in the storage container trying to find the drill, I went and grabbed a flathead screwdriver and a hammer and I'm gonna see if I can pound this one all the way through. Let's see if I've got what it takes. So I'm waiting for him to get a drill and I thought I'm gonna get in here so he can get his jigsaw out and get it in there. I wasn't sure if I could get it through. But he can't find the drill, so now we have a hole. I can get the jigsaw through that. Girls can do things too. I got the hole. You get your jigsaw through. I used a flathead screwdriver and a hammer.
Just look.
Oh. Yeah, you should come see what I did. Ooh, I could have used that. Bring that to the...
Yeah. Probably need the same thing up here. Watch out for these. I'll cut those and pull them out. But one up here and one on this edge up there. Now all that one taking spot as well. Okay.
Because it's sharp.
Alright.
And you said you need
Yeah.
one up here?
Yep. It'll be a 30-inch door. Here you are.
All right.
There's a door.
Oh, that's so great. A door.
Any bigger?
Oh, so much bigger.
Oh wow.
Yeah. It's great.